Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create VTiger CRM contact from IndiaMART lead. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through IndiaMART, then automatically a contact should be created in my VTiger CRM. And for that, I'm simply going to create a connection between IndiaMART and VTiger with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is IndiaMART and my action application is VTiger. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create a contact in VTiger CRM whenever a new lead is received through IndiaMART. And for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now, to begin with the process, we are first going to search for pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And now we have reached the dashboard of this application, and if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Automations for IndiaMART. Now let's click on create. And as you can see over here that we have successfully created a folder named as Automations for IndiaMART. Again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as Create Workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as IndiaMART Automation. And as you can see over here that I have selected the folder named as Automations for IndiaMART, which I have created just now. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of your trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be IndiaMART. Let's click on this. And now we have to select a trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this, and here you will find new leads, and it says triggers when a new lead captured. Let's select this, and after that click on connect. And now to connect our IndiaMART account, we are going to add a new connection, but if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now to add a new connection, we have to enter the CRM key over here, and to enter the CRM key, we have to log in into our IndiaMART account. So log in into your IndiaMART account, and after that go to settings from the left bar. Now after coming on the settings page, go to account settings, and in account settings you will find an option CRM API. Click on this, and after that you can see that I have generated my API key. And if you have not generated your API key, then you can do that by simply clicking on this button generate key. Now copy this API key from here, and after that go to your Pabbly Connect account and then paste it over here. After that click on save. And we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with our Pabbly Connect account. And as you can see that we have a polling time of 24 hours. And now we have to click on save and send test request. And as we do that, the details of the last lead or the most recent lead which we have received on our IndiaMART account, the details of that lead would be received as a response here in our Pabbly Connect account. So let's click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here that we have successfully received a response, and here we have received the lead details, and the subject line is requirement for 1k watt commercial on grid solar power system, unique query ID, the state is Madhya Pradesh, and the name is demo user. Mobile number is this, email address is demo@pabblytudes.com, and we have successfully received all the required details, and we have successfully set up our trigger application. And now my action application is going to be VTiger CRM. Let's click on this. And now we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And here you will find create product, create contact, update contact, and search contact. So I'm simply going to select create contact as I want to create a new contact in my VTiger CRM. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our VTiger CRM account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. And for that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now to add a new connection, we have to enter all these details over here, which is username, access key, and the domain. And for the username and access key, it says to get your username and access key, navigate to top right admin icon and go to preferences. So let me take you to my VTiger account. And according to the instruction, it says go to the top right corner and here in the admin panel, go to my preferences. And here you will find username and the access key. So I'm simply going to copy the access key and the username from here. And after that, I'm going to paste it here in my Pabbly Connect account. Now moving ahead, we have to enter the domain here. And it says copy your VTiger URL and paste here. You can find your domain on browser URL bar after logging into VTiger. For example, this. So let's go back to our VTiger account and here you will find the domain and then copy this domain from here and after that paste it over here. So as you can see over here that I've entered all the details. So I'm simply going to click on save now. And we have successfully connected our VTiger CRM account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now let's move ahead. We have to enter the first name, last name, email address, title and all these details over here. And for that, I'm going to use a method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous step. And as you can see over here in the IndiaMART responses, we have received the full name of sender as demo user. But here in our action application, we have to enter the first name and the last name separately. And for that, I'm going to add an action step over here by clicking on this plus icon, which will be text formatted. Let's click on this. So I am adding an action step between both these applications as I want to segregate the full name of the lead. And for that, I'm going to choose an action event as split text, which will help me to split the text. After that, click on connect. Now let's move ahead. We have to enter the text which we want to split. And it says enter the text to split here. So let's map the full name over here from the IndiaMART response, which is demo user. After that, we have to enter the separator and it says enter the characters. Special characters are allowed or word separator to split the text. For space as a separator, use this. So I'm going to enter space with the curly brackets over here. And after that, we have to select the segment index and it says choose or map a segment index value here. For example, all. So I'm selecting all as I want to segregate the full name of the lead. After that, click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here that we have received a response and we have successfully separated the full name. The first name is demo and the last name is user. So now I'm going to map the first name and the last name here. And now to map this first name over here, I'm going to use the response from text formatter by Pabbly. The first name is demo and the last name is user. After that, we have to enter this email address over here. And I'm going to map this email address from IndiaMART response. And now to select the title, I'm going to map this over here. And I'm not selecting any title over here. So I'm simply going to keep it blank. And after that, I'm going to enter the mobile number over here. And now office phone, home phone, department, birthday, mailing address and other details are not required. So I'm leaving it empty. But if you want to fill all these details, so you can do that. After that, let's click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here that we have received a positive response over here. The first name is demo, the last name is user, email address is demo@pabblytudes.com and the mobile number is this. And the other details as well. So let me take you to my VTiger account and check whether we have created a contact or not. So let's refresh this page once. And as you can see over here that we have successfully created a contact on the name demo user with the email address demo@pabblytudes.com and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with our VTiger CRM. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So as we have successfully set up our trigger and action application and it was a successful workflow, so let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is IndiaMART and my trigger event is new leads. Here my action application is text formatter by Pabbly and here my action event is split text. Here my another action application is VTiger CRM and here my action event is create contact. And if you also want to create a contact in your VTiger CRM whenever a new lead is received through IndiaMART, then simply follow this workflow step by step. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to us at this website. And if you find this video helpful in any way, then do not forget to share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.